Today we'll be installing Nessus to our Kali Linux. So the first thing that we need to do is download Nessus from Nessus website. So open your Firefox and type Nessus Essentials. So scroll down and look for Tenable and Nessus Vulnerability Scanner. We need to create an account that we will register to Nessus. For that, we'll create a temporary email and use this for the registration. So here is the email that we will use. So copy it, then go back to the registration form. Type any name. For this one, we'll use Jose Rizal. And the email, and select student. And click get started to submit. Now we can download Nessus. Select Linux Ubuntu AMD 64 and click download. Click agree. And let's have it finish downloading. So this is our downloader for Linux Ubuntu. We'll open a terminal here. Now we'll install the Nessus installer. Let's check the file first. As you can see, you have nessus.dev. So we'll type sudo dpkg-i and Nessus. Type the password and let it install. Copy this link. Save it on a folder. Let's save it on a document. Nessus. We'll open it and save it. So now it's time to start Nessus. We'll start Nessus as a service, so you just type systemctl start Nessus SD. Type your password. So it's already starting. Let's check the status. So Nessus is now running. We need to use port 883 port to access Nessus. To do that, we'll open a browser and type https://kali:8834. So click advance and accept the risk. Go back to your temporary email. Check your email. Once you registered, you will receive an email. You copy the license code. Go back to the Nessus setup. Click continue. Do not click register offline. Just click continue. And select Nessus Essentials. Click skip. Now paste the registration code. Click continue and continue. We'll create a admin account. So we type admin. The password will be admin12345. Then submit. Nessus will start initializing itself. It needs to download plugins for it to run completely. So we'll just wait for it to finish downloading the plugins. After initializing, Nessus will automatically log in to your account, and it will start downloading the Nessus license and the core components. At the same time, it will start compiling the plugins. So this is the status of each plugin being compiled. So you need to finish all the plugin compilation before you can use Nessus. Once downloading and compiling the plugin, we can check if we can start our scanning. If it's already active, the create new scan link or button will be activated. So from here, we can start our scanning of any target that we have. We have now finished installing our Nessus vulnerability scanning.